Now, to start off with our Minecraft Godzilla versus Minecraft Kong surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. I'm going to line up the corners and give it a nice fold right down the middle. Next, I'm going to line up the corners one more time, giving it another fold. Now, when I open it up, I have these nice little guidelines that show me where I want to keep the inside of my drawing. And I like to turn my paper this way so I can open it up for a fun surprise. Now, to start off with this, let's begin over here with Kong. So I'm going to begin right here, and let's just start by making a line that's just going to go down, and then we're just going to come across the fold here. I'm going to angle this line down and then go right to the fold. Then I'm going to angle this line up and then connect it right where I made that line. Next, I'm going to make a line that goes down at an angle and then straight down. Then we'll go up at an angle and then up here. I'm going to make two small little rectangle shapes for the nose. For the eye, I'm going to draw a line across. I'm going to go up and then come down at an angle and then right to here. Right here, I'm going to make a little line up. We're going to go up at an angle and then down. We're going to make a line that's going to go up, down, and then connect, and do that same thing here for the eyebrows. Let's make a square shape here and here, and then we can color in most of it, leaving just a little square white for reflection. Right over here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go over, and then it's going to come down. Now right here, let's draw a line that's going to come up. We're going to go down at an angle, and then go down to here. We're going to go down here, and then up. We're going to come down at an angle to here, and then up at an angle right there. Right here, let's make a little rectangle shape. Then we're going to go down, up, and then a little line. Now, starting here, let's draw a line down for the body. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to go down. We're going to come up at an angle and then go up. Make a line down here for his chest. Then a line here and a line here. Make a diagonal line here and here. And we'll make a little line that comes down. And we're going to make a line that comes down here. And then right here, let's make a line that's going to come down for his arm right there. Now over here, let's make Godzilla. So I'm going to begin by making a little line here and then here. Then I'm going to come up at an angle and down at an angle. Then we'll just draw this line down. We're going to come down at an angle, up at an angle, and then connect it. I'm going to go down, and then we're just going to draw straight up to here. We're going to bring this line down, and then right to here. Let's connect this here and then here at the end of the paper. Now for this eye, I'm going to bring this line up and over at an angle. We're going to come down here and then a little line down. This one I'm going to go up. We're going to go up at an angle and then down. I'm going to go down and then into here. And a little line down. Make a little square shape here and here. I'm going to color in most of it, leaving just a tiny bit white. I'm going to make a little shape like this and a little shape here. Then I'm just going to kind of color this in so we can kind of make the nose of Godzilla. Right here, I'm going to go down. We're going to come down at an angle, and then we're going to go up, and then over. Then right here, I'm going to go down and over. And we'll make this little diagonal line down. Now for our spikes, let's go up, over, and down. Let's go over and up. Then we're just going to go over like this. Make a little line here. Let's make a tall rectangle here. Then just go down like this for some detail. Now our next step is to open this up and draw the inside. Now once we open this up, we have two halves of our picture. Let's begin over here with Kong. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to first start by connecting this line. Then I'm going to come over here and I'm going to connect this line down. This will be part of its face. We're just going to bring this line down and then in here. I'm going to make this line come down. We're going to go up at an angle and then straight up. Then we're going to come over here. This line, we're going to come up. We're going to go down at an angle and connect. And then we're going to bring this one down. Now for his teeth, let's go ahead and make a line that's going to come up. And we'll go down like this and down like this. We'll make a little shape here and here. And we'll just kind of angle these lines down. We'll make a tall rectangle shape here and kind of bring this down. Right here, we're going to go down. We'll go up like this and up like this. We'll make two more of those small rectangles, and then we'll bring these over. Make a little rectangle here and bring this up. Next, right here, we're going to bring 1 and 2 lines down to shape out the face. And then we want to make the beast glove coming out of here. So I'm going to bring a line that's going to come out like this. I'm going to bring it down and back here. We're going to go down at an angle and then back into here. I'm going to go down and then down at an angle. Let's make a rectangle shape here. Then we're going to go 1 and then 2 little lines here. Make a line across here and a little line across here. Now let's work on Godzilla. Let's begin by first bringing this line down. And then we're going to bring this line down. We're going to make this line come down, and then we're going to go back here at an angle. We're going to go up at an angle, and then straight up. This one we're going to come up, and then down at an angle. Down at an angle, and then straight down. Now for the teeth, I'm going to make a couple of these little skinny rectangle shapes here, and we'll do one here. Then we're just going to go over and up. over and up, over and up, over and up. Do that same thing here. Make these skinny little rectangle shapes, and then we'll put one here. This time we're just going to go down, down, and down, and then over and down. Now for his atomic blast, I want it to look kind of geometric. So I'm just going to make these little lines like this. Then I'm just going to make some little shapes like this. Same thing here. We're just going to kind of go down in almost like a stair pattern. And then we're just going to make these little geometric shapes. Starting here, we're going to go down like this, and one more line here, just for the back of Godzilla's mouth. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Minecraft Godzilla vs. Kong surprise fold. When we have it all folded up, we've got Godzilla and Kong facing off. Then we open it, they're using their atomic blast and their beast glove. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.